guys, welcome to Team Kiri page. And for today's video, I will teach you some Excel tricks, and this will make your life easy. Charot. So for today's tricks, as the title of this video, I will teach you how to separate letters and numbers. So for here, this is our example. This is the main details. And yung mga details na to, we will separate it based sa description, size, and unit niya. So usually, yung ginagawa ng iba is magta-type ng manual. But for now, I will teach you some shortcut. Alright? So keep watching. The first one is the description. Under descriptions, we will put rice and then press enter, and this is the trick. Control E. See that? And then next one is the size. Press 1, enter, and then same thing, Control E. So we'll do that. Here's a unit. KG, enter, Control E. Alright, thank you for watching. Please follow us for more Excel tricks. Bye!